Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Capital One, start by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on Sign In, and you'll be directed to the login page. If you have an account, enter your username and password. If you cannot remember your login details, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your username or reset your password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Identity Verification option. Click on it to initiate the verification process. You might be asked to provide personal information, such as your social security number or date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately. After submitting your information, you may receive a verification code via email or text. Retrieve the code from your email or messages. Return to the Capital One website and enter the verification code in the appropriate field. Submit the code to complete the verification process. If successful, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Capital One customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.